In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Monday.com CRM. This guide will help you navigate through the features of Monday.com, ensuring you can make the most out of this versatile tool. To get started, we'll first visit the Monday.com work platform. Simply open your preferred browser and type in Monday.com. The website is designed to be user-friendly, making it easier for you to manage your work effortlessly while enjoying the experience. Once on the website, you'll notice an option called Products at the top of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. This section offers a comprehensive look at the range of solutions provided by Monday.com. It allows you to choose the product that aligns best with your needs. Next, locate and click on Monday CRM within the options. This is where the magic happens. Monday CRM is specifically tailored to help you manage customer relationships efficiently. Following that, click on CRM products. This will give you an insight into the various CRM tools tailored to enhance your business processes. With a clear layout and detailed descriptions, it becomes much simpler to choose what suits your business dynamics. If you're curious about what's included, simply click on Features. This will display all the unique offerings and capabilities of the platform, helping you get familiar with what's available at your fingertips. You'll also find a section labeled What's New. It's an exciting spot to check out the latest updates and new features added to the platform. Staying up to date with these makes sure you're using the CRM at its full potential. Another critical aspect to explore is the marketplace. By clicking on it, you'll discover a variety of apps and integrations that can be seamlessly connected to your CRM, extending its functionality and helping you deliver more value to your business. Afterward, navigate to the Partners section. This area provides access to partnerships that could be beneficial for your business strategies. Seeing who else is involved can spark new ideas and opportunities. For those who are focused on budget, don't miss the pricing page. It's crucial to understand the different pricing tiers available, ensuring you choose a plan that aligns with your business's financial capability. Efficiency is key, and you can learn how to do it faster with Monday CRM by checking out the associated tips and tricks on the platform. The system's adaptability is shown through customization options, which can be completed in just minutes. And these options make sure the CRM suits your specific requirements. In conclusion, using Monday.com CRM allows you complete control and insight into your customer relationships, all within a beautiful and functional environment. Explore features, marketplaces, and continuous updates to stay ahead in your market. From pre-sales to post-sales processes, every aspect of customer relationship management can be handled efficiently. Dive into Monday CRM today and watch your business reach new heights of productivity and engagement.